A buffet restaurant is a type of dining establishment where patrons pay a fixed price to access a self-service area where they can select from a variety of food items that are displayed on a series of tables or counters. Buffet restaurants are typically all you can eat, meaning that diners can fill their plates as many times as they wish, within a set period of time. The food items offered at a buffet restaurant may vary depending on the type of cuisine or theme of the restaurant. For example, a buffet restaurant that specializes in Chinese food might offer dishes such as stir fry, noodles, fried rice, and dim sum, while a buffet restaurant that focuses on American cuisine might offer items like hamburgers, hot dogs, macaroni and cheese, and fried chicken. Some buffet restaurants offer a mix of cuisines, with a wide variety of dishes to choose from. In addition to the main dishes, buffet restaurants typically have a selection of appetizers, salads, sides, and desserts. Beverages such as soda, juice, and water are often included in the price of the buffet, but alcoholic beverages may be available for an additional charge. One of the benefits of a buffet restaurant is the flexibility it offers to diners. With a self-service setup, customers can select the dishes they want to eat in the portion size they desire, allowing them to customize their meal to their liking. Additionally, because diners are able to serve themselves, they can try a little bit of many different dishes without committing to a full-sized portion. Another advantage of buffet restaurants is their suitability for large groups. Buffet-style dining can be a great option for families, work groups, or other gatherings, as it allows everyone to eat at their own pace and choose the dishes that best suit their tastes. However, there are also some potential downsides to buffet restaurants. Because the food is often left out in the open for extended periods of time, it can be more susceptible to contamination or spoilage. Buffet restaurants must take extra precautions to ensure that the food is safe to eat and meets all health and safety standards. Overall, a buffet restaurant can be a fun and convenient dining option for those who enjoy variety and flexibility in their meals. With a wide range of dishes to choose from, diners can create their own unique culinary experience while enjoying the convenience of a self-service setup.